Hello, my friend, and welcome back to another Stock Valley video. In this episode, we are going to talk about a favorite among retail investors. Robinhood, ticker symbol is Hood. When we look at this recent history, Robinhood has a beautiful rally, peaking at the $153 level back in October 2025. But after hitting that top, it went out a heavy correction, pulling all the way down to a bottom of $62 by March 30. Now, some of you might be wondering, is this a massive buying opportunity or has the price moved too fast, making it risky to buy right now? We are going to take a break all this down in today's video. Before we jump into the chart, if you haven't subscribed to Stock Valley yet, please take a moment and subscribe and like this video. If you have any other stock you want me to analyze, let me know in the comments below. Now let's look at the numbers. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement from the April 8 moves, we can see how beautifully technical play out. Initially, the Fibonacci 38 percentage level acted as solid support back in November 20, and the stock tried to bouncing. However, it failed to break above the 138 resistance. After that rejection, it slid all the way down to that 63 floors we just mentioned. But look at where we are right now. The stock has completely turned the direction upward and is pushing hard toward the 126 levels. Even though the Friday close look at a bit in this series. The stock surged today by a powerful 5.6%. This officially turns our short-term trends bullish. Let's look at the indicators. The RSI is currently hovering around the 70 lines, which means we are entering the overbought zone. But the upward momentum is still very strong. The MACD completely confirmed this trend. I like to keep my technical analysis as simple and clean as possible, because a simple charts give the clearest buy and sell signals. Look at the correction channels. We broke out its for the first time on June 17, throw a perfect retest down to $92, and now we are flying back into $118. So, what is the next stop for the Hood? In the short term, we might see the price push toward the 121 and 124. We should expect some mirror profit taking or slightly pullback around those levels, which is fully visible on our chart. However, if we successfully clear the 126 resistance, our next major target will be the 138 to 140 range, and ultimately our all-time high $103. I want to talk about what happens after the 153 just yet. If you want a deeper analysis of the post 153 targets, let me know in the comments and I will make a follow-up video for you. That is all for today for Robinhood updates. Thank you for watching Stock Valley and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading everyone.